Today's exam question involves adding fractions. Now, if you look at the exam question, the first thing you need to do is change the fraction from a mixed number to an improper fraction. What this means is that the fraction will be top heavy, so the numerator will be bigger than the denominator. The way in which we do this is by multiplying the whole number by the denominator of the fraction and adding on the numerator. So for the first number, you first do 4 times 9, which will give you 36. Then you add on 7 to give you 43, and this is all over 9. Then you will change the second mixed number. You can do this by multiplying 2 by 3 the denominator and adding on the numerator 1. So 2 times 3 is 6, add on 1 is 7, that will give you 7 over 3. Now that you have two improper fractions, you can then add them together. The way in which you add fractions is by having the same denominator on both fractions before you add the numerators. So we look for the lowest common multiple. The lowest common multiple of 9 and 3 is 18. So you make the denominator of both your fractions 18, and now we work backwards. How do we get from 9 to 18? You multiply it by 2. And what you do to the denominator, you also do to the numerator. Therefore, we have to multiply 43 by 2. This will then leave us with 86 over 18. The next step is to look at the second fraction. To get from 3 to 18, you multiply by 6. What you do to the denominator, you also need to do to the numerator. Therefore, 7 times 6 is 42. Now that both your denominators are the same, you can add your numerators. So 86 plus 42 gives you 128 over 18. You can change this back into a mixed number. To do this, you need to check how many times 18 goes into 128. 18 goes into 128 7 times with 2 remaining. So your mixed number will be 7 with the fraction of 2 over 18. Now going back to the exam question, you can answer it as the parts will fit in, since it is between 7 with the fraction 1 over 18 and 7 with the fraction of 3 over 18. The exam question is now completed.